So friends, today we are going to teach you about how to vote in our project, that is multi-utility disaster rescue vehicle, which we made for military. And in the further video I will teach you how to make this, how to vote for that project through E-Sewa and through SMS. I will teach you over there and you can see. Okay, and one, so let's start and let's begin.